Yeah.
Hey, you're doing very good. You're doing very good. I'm very proud of you. Okay, let's face back down again. Sorry I'm doing this to you. You need a break?
No, I'm fine.
Big word. I wouldn't be fine. Just saying. So you try to isolate the ankle
Okay.
and just flex just the ankle as much as possible, and you try to put a little bit of pressure on it.
Okay. And then you do the knee. See, I thought they were all done together. Well, that makes sense, because then if one is off, you won't know which one it is. Learn something new every day. Well, he jogs off really nice. He's just like, okay.
Yeah, no, he's being really good. For a horse that was afraid of people running beside him,
Yeah.
boy, you've done a really good job with him.
Thanks.
He's a pro at it now.
We did it playing in the playpen.
Oh, Dutchie.
Yes.
Okay. Knee.
Good boy.
There you go, handsome.
Good boy.
You're a good boy.
Are you at Santa Anita now?
Yep.
Nice. Do you like it there?
Except for the drive.
Well, yeah, of course.
So this will actually probably get knee and elbow.
Okay.
So you know, if you get something on this, generally it'll probably be the knee.
Okay.
As a matter of odds. But there's always the possibility that it could be a shoulder.
Okay.
Elbow.
He's so funny. He's learned his yeses and nos. Like, if I say stop or he's like, okay, no.
Good boy. I know, you're being patient.